I'm falling in love or not. I'm trying to find a way to keep you in my arms. We're spinning round this.
We're going to Virginia.
Sunny D vodka.
Can we see?
This is a taste test of the Sunny D vodka.
Okay. Sorry, my bad.
Mmm, so delicious. It's not bad. It's actually not bad.
It's really good.
It's not bad.
You know, it's like 4% alcohol.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes. Welcome back to another conspiracy video.
I got it again.
What?
Oh, I shot this at you. You didn't realize. You guys got your shirt.
The Mona Lisa. Da Vinci. This was a 10 out of 10. We really enjoyed the smoothies from that place. What was it called? Cold Pressed.
In Virginia Beach.
Yeah, it was actually really, really nice. And so we're gonna go pick up her brother Corey, and I'm gonna teach him how to rock climb. So she's gonna be the camera woman, and we're gonna have a fun time. Okay, so we're gonna start Corey off by showing him. Alright, so we're gonna start off by showing Corey hangboards and crimps. So over here we got a 15mm edge and a 10mm edge. We're gonna have to try both. Turn the shot.
Chalk it up.
Yep. So this is a 15mm crimp. Hold your fast first, and that's a 10mm. So just hold that. Oh my god. It's easy. Christ. So when you're hanging, try to hold it and your finger on it. Good. We got that orange rated one. It's most likely like a V2, V3-ish. So we're gonna see if Corey can jump up to that. So I'm gonna show you how it's going, and he's gonna give it a go real quick.
Hit the road, you a Joe tight skirt, so I speed it up fast, no looking back. Maybe I'm stuck in the past, maybe I run out of gas, maybe I'm crazy and I never last. Stuck in my ride, I haven't crashed, stuck on the wood, grin on the dash, stuck in my hood, ain't looking back, I just hope I don't crash.
Fucking away.
Take off and fly away, just fly away, nothing.
He doesn't realize I can do that one too.
Fly away, just fly away.
I guess. I'm tired.
Hi guys.
We finished our food. What do you think, Corey?
Ain't cheap.
Pretty good. We take it. And then this one, still haven't finished your food.
I'm done. I'm full.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we went to the video game store. We got some blind boxes together, and Jazz wants to open on camera with you guys. So, you guys about to see that.
I'm gonna start with this one.
Okay.
And these are the ones you can get. I think I want the bunny, this one, the fox maybe. And I don't want the koala.
Get the koala.
Honestly, it's cute though. Wait.
Cute.
It was the one I didn't really want, but you know what? It's still cute.
It's
So I
still
take
really
it. I
cute.
take it. I take it. Next, we have this one. It has all these and all of these. It's a dog. It's a cat dog.
You got the wolf cat.
Just
You got him?
This one's kind of big. Look at it.
It is. It's actually, like, well, I mean, compared to little guys. I mean, this is the little guys.
This one was $17, guys. $17.
But it was worth every penny.
It's cute though.
It's very cute.
And that's the little haul.
That's the
These
little
are all of them. Cute.